Hello. So good afternoon, everyone. I will give a presentation for setting sails on new journey with 5G commercialized in China. And this presentation is not only limited to millimeter wave. So as you see right now in China, the 5G are already commercial use for 3 years. So from the government side, pay great attention for 5G development, not only for network instrument, also for the 5G applications. So you can see there's a multiple ministry supported 5G innovation and development, especially from the MIT. They released a 5G plus industrial internet pilot project plan, and also MIT together with some core central government and released some, we can see those some plans and implementation plans, especially for the energy sectors. And also we can see MIT together with other ministries to have some pilot project on 5G plus medical health and even smart education. Especially in year 2021, MIT incorporated with the other 9 central governments and released we call it set selling action plan for 5G applications. Okay. So right now 5G in China already, we can say already established the world's biggest 5G standalone network, and with over 2 million 5G base stations, it covering all prospective level cities and county areas in the county. And we can also see that the 5G network co-construction and sharing in China, and it serves the economy and society. So in one hand is the China Telecom and the China Unicom. They have co-construction and share one single 5G access networks. So the total 5G base stations been sharing is 900,000. The other is China Mobile and China Broadcasting Network. They jointly invest in the construction of 5G network in 700 megahertz. And also in China, there's over 97% of Chinatown's 5G base stations. So with a great 5G network infrastructure, the number of 5G users continues to expand it. Right now already reach 560 million. It's accounting for over 33%. And the utilization rate of 5G network continues to increase, so almost 400% during Spring Festival holidays. And so right now in China, the 5G commercial frequency band is mostly in middle band. But still, we have many technical trials to push for the new frequency band technologies and new advanced technologies. So we do think 5G millimeter wave can supplement the coverage and capacity for the 5G network. And so we're starting the 5G millimeter wave technical trial from year 2019. So firstly, we will do some technical trial from the key technologies, then equipment test, and standalone network testing. So for the last year, we doing the millimeter wave in the FR2 only network type testing. So during those testing, we developed the unified trail specifications and also unified environment. That's we built a millimeter wave test system for RF and performance. So this slide just showed the 5G millimeter wave specification framework. So you can see all these specifications during different phases. And here we can see the key parameters for millimeter wave trail in China. So the frequency band mostly is in 33 gigahertz, and we have some technical requirement for the carrier band as 200 megahertz. That will give a much higher ping data rate. And we define the flexible frame structure, one for downlink and one for uplink. And for the network type, they have a standalone with dual connection and carrier aggregation. The other is FR2 only. So for 5G innovation applications, is also integrated with different sectors, especially for the culture and tourism and industrials, medical, energy, and different kinds of industrials. So right now we have over 10,000 5G. We call it industrial vertical private network. Mostly it's supplied by operator, but it's some functions special to especially support for the vertical industrials. And there's more and more commercial services and network. Most scenarios is on grid, factory, and mine, port, and hospital. So for the Boolean Cup 5G application competition, we hold such kind of competition for 5 years. So for last year, the participant projects already increased to over 28,000 and over 20 industrial. It covers, especially in the smart city, industrial internet, and medical health, and intelligent transportation, and extra. So for the conclusion, we think the 5G development, the network construction, will take a future-oriented approach. That means we have the network construction more ahead of the service to meet the need of the individual and industrial users. And second, we think we need to get from the supply aspect to prove the supply capability for 5G, the industrial, maybe it's 5G advanced and then even mmWave will be our next milestones. And also, especially to satisfy with the support to the vertical, we need to have a low cost and high performance devices. And for 5G application right now, we still need a more stronger industrial ecosystem. And that maybe need us to work together. That's all for today. Thank you very much.